Alright guys, so you guys have been DMing me, commenting, asking to see this good man right over here.
What is up guys?
Back on the vlog, and he's here. He's got a couple new toys out. So he's now got a 370Z 50th anniversary edition. He bought this thing brand new and it's already RE'd out. I like to call it RE'd out. So we're gonna hear this thing cold start. You tell me it's loud?
It's alright.
We're gonna just, I guess, actions speak louder than words. Here we go, let's see this thing.
You're gonna stand behind it?
I'm gonna stand right here. I'm gonna put the camera here and I'm gonna run away.
Well, don't run away.
No, I'm gonna...
Make it even worse.
Here we go.
Alright. Best of luck to you, man.
Thank you. I'm sorry if you guys were wearing earbuds. I should have put a warning up. Let's get the fuck out of here. Let's go. It's gonna be one of those nights. All right, so now we're gonna meet another friend in the crew.
Dude, there's someone here in the garage. Jeez, man.
What's this friend's name?
So everybody, I want you guys to meet Gandalf. This is actually a sneak peek. I haven't even put this guy like on my Instagram or anything. So say what's up to Gandalf. So reason why I named it Gandalf.
And we're not talking about the Challenger, by the way.
Name a 24-year-old driving this. Never happens. It's usually like our parents or grandparents, right? So I named it Gandalf. Let's take a quick tour about this thing, I guess. This car's actually been stage 2 tuned. It's 710 horse and 745 pound-feet of torque. Wow. Muffler resonator delete with the X-pipe. It's getting down pipes to be fully straight pipes tomorrow. In the meantime, we'll start it up, yeah?
Let's hear this thing in action.
Jump in the back. Jump in the back. What you're about to hear, if you were on the highway, you would not look at this car. Check it out, I promise.
This is his way of being low-key. Gandalf is huffing and puffing. What the fuck is that, dude?
These poor people just like sit there trying to get the groceries out, just one car after another, just
wow.
But this is Gandalf, so like, hey, but when it's
like a
done,
big grumpy bear. That's what he is.
He's such a pain.
So tell us what you're gonna do with this thing. You're gonna, aside from the downpipe and what else?
So Gandalf is actually, honestly, any car that I have on my channel is literally just for sending. So this baby is getting slammed with coils, and it's gonna have a hydro, and we're gonna make it from all-wheel drive to rear wheel, and we're gonna go send it.
Are there any SUVs that have hydros on them? Not that you know of?
That I know of, except for the Hoonigans? No.
Wow.
But I'm not the Hoonigans.
Yeah, this is Ari in Cars. In case you guys missed the memo, this is Ari in Cars. So he's gonna be linked in the description below. Shoot him a follow. Look at his YouTube. He's got a lot of crazy shit on there. So
actually, I think one of the best videos, bro. You have it. No, I don't think any video is topping that. You guys should literally look at this link right here of the last video we did. Actually, the first one we ever did, the first ever met.
Yeah.
Honestly.
I'm gonna put that one first in the description so you guys can watch that one, and he's got a lot of fun stuff on his channel. If you guys are up north in California, in San Jose, San Francisco, he does a lot of takeovers out there. And
a lot of what?
Takeovers?
No, bro, car meets, fan meets.
Well, takeovers with the fans, like you just take over the, you know, meeting.
I can't agree to this shit.
It's a good thing I'm singing, not him.
There you go.
But yeah, if you guys are the NorCal crew, you might want to check out his stuff. So stay tuned. We're gonna go out and have some more fun with. Now this one. This is the E93. We've learned.
This is Bobo. Bobo is a, man, I don't want to say it, but this is a camouflaged, straight piped, naturally aspirated V8. Now we saved the best for last. This thing is beyond loud. I think it's ridiculous. It's not like a crazy, like, you know, flamethrower unless I want it to be. It's this fucking loud idle when I started.
Oh yeah, this is ridiculous.
It's just the idle.
I've heard this before, but are we gonna do this now?
No, it's even twice as loud, bro. It has fucking down.
Okay, so we're not doing this one right now.
No, we're gonna do it.
We're gonna
have to move it.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, we have to let this one go though for a solid 2 minutes. So
yeah.
I'll throw you some earmuffs. All right, let's do it. really random though. It's minimal, but it's random. So basically, I'm trying to get at, bro, is we want to hit this first try and dip out of here. We don't want to fucking go in the parking lot, watch the video.
That's on you, bro. Get it the first time.
You have a lime green car. It's very hard for us to go anywhere. Yeah. Bro, we're driving on the freeway. This cop doesn't have his radar out. Looks at his car, follows us halfway. I said leave it at home, and he wonders why this shit happened. Okay, so we're gonna hit this and then go to the second spot. The second spot's just gonna be a sick like 60-mile like drift, and then done.
Well, it looks like we're riding shoddy today, and there's 8,000 keys in my seat, so I'm gonna have to move one of those 8,000 out of the way. Thank you, sir. We're in the Drift Daddy right now.
Actually, I have a good idea. Check this out. This is why I have this tape.
Oh, great.
So, like, honestly, I carry all those keys because it's at random. We have to switch.
You tape it. Oh, come on, man. There we go.
All right, so we'll explain what we're doing. So there's this roundabout right here in this private course that we're hitting, and we're gonna just go around it twice.
This is your uncle's golf course, right?
It is my uncle's golf course. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go around it twice. Our goal is to like just do 20 seconds in and out, and then from there we're gonna go to our second spot, and then it's time for Andre's moment of glory. This guy's like legit the straight ahead king. So we're gonna have a car in front of us.
So why is Tesla the best fellow car?
Instant torque, man.
Absolutely. It's almost as torquey as my Chevy Volt.
You know, bro, it's very hard to agree with that. But Jesus, I just learned from my buddy Suited Race here that the best videos on Instagram are less than 20 seconds.
Yeah.
I did not know that.
Fun fact. Keep it under 20.
Dude, look at that savage right there.
Wow, look at this guy.
Bro, savage.
Risking his life.
Hey, listen, one thing I'm gonna teach you guys about the camera is if you're on the camera, your life is secondary. The shot is first.
It's facts! It's facts! It's not facts. These sites are not facts. It's not facts.
Am I being honest though?
100%. 100%.
That's exactly the way it is.
So we're going around the circle, and of course the Mexican sheriff shows up. I thought this was a private property, but unfortunately the sheriff thought he was on duty tonight, but he wasn't.
Damn, documentation was a lie.
And now we're walking.
Dude, here we are back at square one. From the day I met you, man, we were in this situation, and we had to drop a car and have to walk.
Great.
I think we could take this time to have a nice little podcast.
I think so.
As awkward as possible.
Yeah. What is he doing?
Welcome to this beautiful gas station featuring myself, featuring my friend Andre. We're still on our second attempt to get this video for you guys. And we have been noticing a lot of what looks like US CHP. Is that what it's called? CHP or SAHP? SAHP?
They just dipped down the border from San Diego, and they're over here at the Conserve Fuel. You know, here
You have these great plates, and you know, I don't.
He came in here hot, that cop.
Hey, bro, honestly, I really thought there was something up.
I didn't know they fuel up at random gas stations. I thought they have like state fuel that's like free.
Who goes to this?
A wrap or a wrap? This car's got about 25,000 miles on it. I drive it. You know, they say it's a street legal race car because it's an ACR. So I figured if it is, I want to drive it.
I didn't ask.
I have a Boss 302 Laguna Seca. It's the same. It's not as fast as this, but it's a street legal race car. It's the same thing. Yeah. YouTube. It's clean, dude. Thanks, man. Thank you.
What a piece of shit. I'm just joking. I'm just joking.
I'm like a good friend.
Yeah, exactly. He's like BMW.
Yeah. Well, like I said, I just saw it. I was curious if it had the Hennessy upgrade in it.
If it did, I would take you for a spin. Pleasure meeting you.
Yeah, I'm like ready to go home, man.
Oh, yeah,
Me too, bro. Me too.
Yeah, I'm working those fires. But you guys be safe.
Take care. Hey, Patrick, I'll make you a deal. He will let you drive his car if we could go drift that Charger.
I like my job.
Yeah. I want to give him a ride in the car.
Fair enough.
I want to give him a ride in the car.
There's these really bitchin' things called racetracks where you pay just a little bit of money.
Damn, you're
and
right.
you do whatever you want.
Dude, you're 100% right. You're 100% right.
All right, man. See you, Patrick. Have a good night. Bye.
Well, that went totally great.
Yeah. That couldn't have gone better, huh?
I'm gonna hold this camera. And I'm gonna send it. Let's go.
Backfire at top end there. Really weird. Smells kind of funky, but everything looks good on the gauges. Huh. I don't know what that was. Never seen that before. Right when we hit 6th gear, at about 175, I felt a backfire, which was strange. This is the outro officially. We gotta go. We gotta go.
Hey, listen, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. This guy is the best in the game. Why does he have 3K subs? I don't know, but let today be his 10K.
Out. See you tomorrow.
We gotta go. See you tomorrow.
Later.